Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to cook snails. Snail is one of my best stuff. I love snails. So these snails was the snails were freshly harvested, washed and dried. This was sent to me by my little brother. So guys, with snails you can put it in any food. It goes with everything. The salad, it goes in anything. It goes in everything. It goes in everything. The salad. So we're gonna go ahead and soak this in water. We're gonna be soaking this for 16 hours. I soak this longer because I want it to be really soft, because when the snail is dry it's really hard. So I want it to look really fresh, like freshly harvested snails. So I'll go ahead right now to put my plastic wrap on it, put in my refrigerator for 16 hours. As you see, the plastic wrap is on it. You can use foil paper if you want, or anything. I just go ahead to use my plastic wrap. So guys, our snails is well soaked. It has been in the refrigerator for 16 hours. As you see, this looks like freshly harvested snails. See, they look like freshly harvested snails. That is why I soak my longer, because I want it to look like freshly harvested snails. I'll go ahead to wash it. I'm gonna wash this well. After washing, I'll drain the water and I'll go ahead to put this in the pot. Put some water, and I'll go ahead to add some salt to taste, and some Maggi. And the quantity of water too doesn't matter. You can put whatever quantity of water you want, but you don't need to put a lot, like too small. So go ahead, like add some Maggi, the black pepper, and I'll cover this and let it cook for 30 minutes. Guys, our snail is all done. Right now go ahead to drain the water and wash it. Here we have our seasoning. We have our ginger, we have our green pepper, we have our garlic, we have our white pepper, we have one chopped onion, we have tomatoes. These tomatoes has already been prepared and stored in the freezer. So go watch my video on how to prep and store tomatoes. So here we have our black pepper, we have our chili pepper. This is dried and grind. You can use the fresh one if you want. So go ahead to grind or blend the green pepper, the garlic and ginger together. In the pot here we have our preheated oil on medium heat. We're gonna go ahead to add our onions. Give a quick stir. We don't want to let this burn, so we have to keep constantly give a stir to make sure it's cooked evenly, it doesn't get burned. We're gonna be cooking this for a total of 5 minutes. We have to keep stirring. So after 5 minutes we're gonna go ahead to add our tomatoes and give a quick stir. Tomatoes easily get burned, so we have to make sure we keep stirring it. Well, after tomatoes, we stir it for 2 minutes. We add our blended spice, everything together. We give a quick stir to combine everything together. As you can see, you have to make sure you constantly stir your pot, because you don't want it to get burned. Because the moment 1 minute everything is burned, you don't want to taste your food and have that burnt taste. So go ahead to add our Maggi or our seasoning cube, some salt, black pepper, the white pepper, black pepper, some salt, some pepper just for the heat. I'll go ahead to put just small, just for the heat. I don't want it to be too spicy because my son will be eating this. And I'll give some a quick stir to combine everything together. Guys, you put salt and Maggi to taste. In case you put the first one and it's not okay, you can always add your salt and Maggi to taste. So guys, our tomato is almost ready, and right now we go ahead to add our snails. We give a quick stir to combine everything together, and we will be cooking this for 6 minutes because we want everything to incorporate together. You have to keep stirring to make sure everything incorporates together. Guys, our snail is almost ready. Guys, our snail is ready. You can eat this with plantains, rice, cassava, cocoyam, yams, anything. It goes with anything. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment on my video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.